Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this single path air command heavy duty air compressor system with the analog gauge and the mounting kit all included. Now this system right here is going to include the heavy duty compressor with a max 150 psi pressure, the no drill mounting plate with the hardware. You can see we've attached this just to show you how this would install. The plug and play wiring harness right up front here. 30 feet of airline tubing. It's 1/4-inch airline tubing. Comes with this electric analog gauge with the single toggle switch and all the hardware you need for installation. Even comes with a nice set of installation instructions that describe how this all goes together. Now this is designed to be used with Firestone Air Springs. This Air Command heavy-duty air compressor system with that single analog gauge will make inflating or deflating your air springs pretty easy with just the touch of a button. It'll provide an on-spot air source for your vehicle suspension system, letting you modify your springs to match the load and driving conditions. We mentioned this is a single path design, so it's going to allow you to fill both springs with the same pressure. That basically allows for front to back leveling. The system has an easy installation, so you can get it hooked up and hop on the road in no time. Basically, you just have to connect one wire to the compressor and then 3 to the vehicle. And the wiring harness and air lines can be plugged into the same side of the unit for uncluttered routing of your power supply and lines. And I just wanted to turn this a little bit so maybe you can see how it shows you the mounting brackets that will attach to your frame and hold your compressor in place. Very easy installation. Put this back up under there. Now after the system with this gauge is properly installed, you can make pressure adjustments by just pressing this toggle switch right here. If you press the switch up, that'll inflate the air springs. If you push it down, it'll deflate the springs. And as you can see, the gauge's optimized white face display can be seen in morning or night without straining your eyes. Now the installation process does vary depending on whether you're enhancing an existing air helper spring system with this air compressor system or installing it with a new air spring system. Maximum air pressure we mentioned on this is 150 psi. Amperage is 13 amps. Duty cycle is 30%. And the flow rate from 0 to 30 psi is about 14 seconds. 0 to 60 psi is about 35 seconds. But that should do it for a look at this Firestone single path air command heavy duty air compressor system with the analog gauge and the mounting kit.